Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another good one for you guys. We'll be making the coconut ginger rice with lemongrass. Guys, this is so delicious, so flavorful, and it is so easy. And not to mention affordable. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you guys are already here, thank you so much for your support. I'd like to encourage you guys also to please share this video, okay? So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the ingredients. I have some washed rice, some coconut milk, some ginger powder, black pepper, some diced ginger, diced onion, garlic powder, onion powder, some parsley, chicken bouillon, and some chicken stock. So to a preheated pan, I placed 2 tablespoons of oil and I added the diced onions and allowed that to cook. I just added the ginger. Allow that to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure everything is infused really well. Then I will go in and add some green onions. Now green onions add so much depth of flavor to this recipe. Then I added my washed rice, and I'm using basmati long grain rice. Allow this to toast for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium high heat and stir consistently. Then I go in with the rest of my seasoning. The chicken bouillon, ginger powder, onion and garlic powder, and black pepper. Give that a good stir. Make sure everything is really well combined. So after about 10 minutes, with the rice being toasted, we go ahead and add our coconut milk. And you can add half more cup of chicken stock. And this is the result you will get after about 20 minutes. Or you can place this rice in an oven and cover until it is nice and fluffy, just like that. All right, it is so amazing. Then you garnish with some green onions, and I did serve mine, guys, with some honey garlic ginger wings. Oh my gosh, guys, you must check that link out for that recipe also. I do hope you guys like this video. If you find it interesting or you try it, just let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, and I see you on the next one. Bye-bye.